Have you ever inserted an arrow in PowerPoint and thought, that looks way too thin? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make an arrow thicker in PowerPoint step by step. It's quick, simple, and once you know it, you'll never have to struggle with skinny arrows again. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint slide and go to the Insert tab at the top. Now click on Shapes, and from the drop-down menu, choose the arrow style you want to use. Once selected, press and hold the Shift key while drawing the arrow. This keeps it perfectly straight. Now that you've got your arrow, let's make it thicker. Right-click on the arrow, and from the menu, select Format Shape. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, click on the line option to expand the menu. Under the color section, you can choose any color you want for your arrow. Let's say red, for example. Right below that, you'll find the width option. This controls the thickness of the arrow. By default, it's usually set to around 0.5 points, which is quite thin. Try increasing it to 5 points or even 20 points if you want a really bold arrow. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see your arrow instantly become thicker and more visible. And here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to change the arrow style, like making it dashed or dotted, you can do that from the same panel under the dash type dropdown. That's it. You've just learned how to easily make an arrow thicker in PowerPoint. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment to let me know it worked, and check out the other PowerPoint tutorials on the screen for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.